Building with Papa. Okay, I'm going to show you how to repair one of these Ryobi grinders. This one here I've had for a while and now it's not working properly. The switch is bad or something, I'm not sure. This one I bought as a display model and I put in a battery and nothing works. I got it for $20. I figure I'll take it apart and either use it for parts or see if I can fix it. First you have to take out all these screws that are in the handle. You don't have to take out any of the screws at the top, just at the handle part. As I'm looking at this, now I can see where the battery clips in. One of the pegs was bent over. So I straightened it out, I put in a battery, and it worked. I spent $20 on this, and now I have a new grinder. All right, okay, now that this one's working, I'm going to put it back together. Also wanted to let you know that these screws are T20s, torsion 20s. Put the handle back together, tighten everything back up. Just make sure all your wires are brought in so you're not pinching anything. You don't want to cause another problem. All right, I'm going to put these screws in, tighten it up, and then I'm going to check it out one more time and make sure it's still working properly. Yep, there it goes. All right. Okay, best 20 bucks I spent in a while. Okay, now I'm going to take apart the one that I've had for years, see if I can figure out what the issue is. To my amazement, I'm pulling this out and I see this switch. And I remember the switch. This is the same switch that I repaired my air fryer with. And when I had to buy the switch, I had to buy two at a time. So I went in my garage and I got the other switch, and it's the exact same switch. A $2 part was making this grinder not work. All right, you have to make sure you put the wires back the way you got them, and you slide the switch in the middle of the trigger, and then this goes on the pin to the back of the trigger and then fits in that slot, and you have to put the spring in. There's a little nub there where the spring goes on and then a flat area. It fits in place, everything sits nice. So again, I'm going to try it with the battery before I close it off. And there it is. It's working nice. A $2 switch. All right. Now just put the cover back on, put your T20 screws in. We're checking it out again, and voila. It's working great. All right, Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up if you can. All right, I'll see you on the next one. I just cannot believe a $2 switch and a $20 grinder display model, and now I have two grinders. See you on the next one.